Hey everybody, welcome to Explain America. I'm your host, Carmine Sabia. Big news coming out of a federal court today for President Donald Trump, and it's very, very good. But before we get started, please make sure you like, you comment, you share, you subscribe. Do all those cool things that keeps Explain America coming to you every single day for free, giving you the important news that the mainstream media does not want to give you. So just hours ago, U.S. District Judge Eileen Cannon ruled, or didn't rule exactly, she gave a preliminary inclination that she was inclined to appoint a special master to review the documents that were taken from Mar-a-Lago by the FBI. Now, the Department of Justice is going to have to present its case in her courtroom along with President Trump's attorneys on Thursday, September 1st. Now, this is very big. The Trump team has been arguing that there needs to be a special master to review the documents and find out which are his personal documents and which belong to the United States government. So what is a special master? A special master is basically an attorney who is nonpartisan, or at least is supposed to be nonpartisan, that is appointed by the court, that does not work for the DOJ, does not work for Trump's team, that goes through the documents and decides which is which, his or the government's. Now, this is good for a few reasons. Number one, we're going to get to see, if this goes through, we're going to get to see exactly what was taken from Trump that should not have been taken from Trump. But it works to his advantage in another way as well, because if the judge does what she says she's going to do, or what she's inclined to do, it will slow the proceedings down. Now, this buys Trump some more time to get his case in order against the Department of Justice. Trump's legal team filed on Monday for the special master, and the decision came down today, or at least the preliminary intent. Now, the reason they filed it is they said that the FBI's search was overly broad, that it was too grand in scope, that they got their hands on too many documents. Now, we know for a fact that they had to return 2 of President Donald Trump's passports to him because they went too far with what they were grabbing. And Alan Dershowitz, a famed attorney and Harvard professor emeritus, also said he believed that the search was too broad in scope. In fact, several legal experts have said the search was too broad in scope. But now we're going to find out exactly how broad it was and how many documents they took that they shouldn't have. So the final decision will be made on Thursday. Now, just yesterday, the affidavit was released that showed, or purported to show, the reasoning behind the search to begin with. But it was so heavily redacted that you really don't know much. And the news media has been going off on a tangent about this, acting like they finally got him this time, right? How many times since 2016 have you heard they finally got him this time? So there's not a lot in that affidavit really to parse through and figure out exactly what their reasoning was. Now, of course, they have some legitimate reasons. You don't want to let people know who your witnesses are. We're going to have to wait and see. We will have the news for you as soon as we get it on Thursday. Please stick with us here at Explain America. Make sure, again, that you like, you comment, you share, you subscribe. We appreciate it, guys. We love you. God bless you. Take care, everybody.